So for those of you who haven't been across the channel, the distance as the crow flies, I believe, from Dover to Calais is about 22 miles. We're probably going to do about 24 because we'll be going out with the tide I believe for the first sort of half, and then you come back with the tide the other way, and actually you make a semicircle, so it's likely to be about 24 or 25 miles. The record was set last week, or rather the week before last, and that was on 4.5 hours, but that was a rotating cruise. We're doing it differently, where we've got six oarsmen in each boat, and we all want to row across, and so we've done the whole thing.
Come on! Everything you got left! Come on!
There's a world out there you don't always see, like a sunset sky, the dream is tapestry. Now it may be far, but we can reach it if our chained up hearts believe it. But to be free, we must paint ourselves the freedom we seek. Yeah. With open eyes, we open our minds.
Timing really is all about timing. Length of stroke, nice and clean. And we've got that catch and that drive and that pulling through all together as one crew. That is really important.
We open our world, we open our lives, and the walls come crashing down and the angels rise when we open up our eyes. There's a truth out there you don't always see. It's like a sunset sky, the dreamer's tapestry.
Yeah, crossing the channel, typically it will be a route led by the pilots that will take you from Dover to Sangat Beach. We can call it Calais, we can definitely call it France. Circa 20 odd miles. It will be unlikely to be a direct route because you'll be pulled by wind and tide. The other thing is you're crossing two quite busy navigation megaship highways, and they're as big as scrapers. They're enormous, these boats. Their bow waves and their weight can be 4 foot high. It's really important to keep the bow nice and true, and that's why it's essential that you carry on rowing at all times. You must have oars in the water. If you're coming out, if someone's not rowing, the others must carry on. The cocks must always have their hands on those ropes, always been able to control the tiller, the rudder, making sure that that bow is ready to go through waves and wake at all times.
We can reach it if our chained up hearts believe it. But to be free, you must paint yourself the freedom.
We've chosen two charities, and this was something we all agreed. We've got two boats, so we thought we'd do two charities, and we thought it very appropriate to raise money firstly for a cancer charity, and we've chosen Marie Curie Cancer Care for that. And the other one, of course, is the RNLI, who we thought, being a sea row as this is, that was a worthy charity and appropriate charity to raise money for as well.
Okay, right, okay, need you together, I'm going in there now. I think Angus is everything that we've discussed, which is making sure that the hydration and the nutrition matches up to what you're going to do. So you've got that window of opportunity, but all through that week people need to be carbo loading, making sure they're walking around with a bottle of water, and again making wise choices when it comes to food. That I believe is very important, and also tailoring down on their exercise as well. So just that last couple of days before you go, making sure that no one's going to go and do a last minute ergo or anything, none of that.
So no Burger Kings?
No Burger Kings.
Right.
No curries.
I think I can do that, okay.